Imagine if you could pick a niche that pays you to talk about stuff you already love. Here's a secret. Don't just chase the money and the fun. Here's how to do it. List your passions. If you can talk about it at a party, you can build a brand around it. Unless you like collecting toenail clippings and maybe you kind of skip that one, Validate demand. Use Google Trends, YouTube search, and pro tip, Cash Network's trending offers will tell you that too. If people are searching for it and there are CPA offers for it, you're golden. You will make money. Check competition. Use Ahrefs or Ubersuggest. If the top results are all Forbes and Wikipedia, maybe niche down. Keto snacks for busy moms is better than just weight loss. Profit check. Look for offers paying $30 plus per action. On Cash Network, you'll find offers that pay you $5 to $50 for just a lead. That's right, no sales required. Niche down. Micro niches win. Pet insurance for iguanas? If it exists, someone's making money with it. Maybe Iguanas is pushing it, but you could probably promote a product like petpriority.com on Cash Network, and actually Pet Priority is my company, and you can make money helping puppies and kittens get the pet insurance they need.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Stat. According to SparkToro, 60% of Google searches end in 0 clicks. My personal opinion on why that happens is if you ever search on Google now, you end up finding the AI takes over and starts to give you all the answers you need, and it's pretty good information, right? So then all the searches, like everything else, is pushed down. This is just what I've been seeing, and I don't know what you've been seeing, but I've been noticing that the searches are getting pushed down and your website may not show up closer to the top, or your ad may not, the sponsored listings may not show up. The AI is kind of taking over and showing you the answers you need. Well, what that means is you need to be where the action is. On YouTube, on TikTok, CPA networks like Cash Network, I know, shameless plug.